In this video, I will show you how to deposit your Pi token to Bitget Exchange. So if you want to do this, then follow along. So first of all, open up your Bitget app, and then from here, go ahead and go to the Home tab and go ahead and click on Deposit in here. And once you do that, you need to click on Deposit Crypto. So click on this, and then in this section, you need to search for Pi. So go ahead and click on Search, type in Pi, and then select Pi Network with Pi. And once you do that, you will have your Pi wallet address. So you also see the network that is being selected. If you click on this, you see that you only have Pi network. You can see that the minimal deposit amount is this and that the crediting time is not known. So once you have that information, you can just go ahead and copy your wallet address for Pi to your clipboard, and then you can go over to your Pi app and then click on Send and then fill in this wallet address when you click on Withdraw Crypto in there. And once you do that, you will be able to deposit Pi tokens to your Bitget Exchange. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.